super excited, guys. I'm doing my first wedding. Yay!
Alright, people, right now, you know, I come from Portmore, but I'm not eat no more food over Portmore. Cause, may I tell you, wait, what the place name again?
Chef Nick.
Hold on, Chef Nick's. I tell you, a piece of swim around there. Some people call it fish and them something there, but we call it seafood. Yeah, it was delicious today. Sea plate type of thing alive. No more left.
Guys, I am so excited because this is basically the first wedding that I'm catering, that I am fully catering. I'm doing all of this work all by myself.
Sometimes you gotta open
And
a business
on the
without
menu,
a business plan.
we have,
You're behind,
it
you're
is
late,
herb
just
roasted
start.
chicken,
God will show you what to do when you start working.
Fish fillet, yes, rice and peas, and it was really simple, just some tossed salad. So the tossed salad, what I did was to do half with raisins, half without, just in case.
So we're seasoning the chicken in batches.
So it was about catering for 37 persons, so I did roughly 20 to 22 pounds of chicken,
This is just powdered
seasoned, and then I went ahead and roast, right? The fish, looked after the fish as well. So
we're not gonna do it in batches at that.
it was really an exciting time for me, and I really enjoyed the fact that everyone loved it.
Coated on everything. Gonna go ahead and do it in 2 batches, right? And this is catering for 37 persons. So this is batch 1. All right, so this is batch 2, and that's the jerk season on top that we're gonna be using. Now what I'm gonna do, this wedding is on Saturday, this is Thursday morning, so I'm just seasoning now. When I come home this evening from work, I'm gonna do the blended green seasoning, and I'm gonna add that tomorrow morning to this, right? So guys, it's gonna be seasoned to the bone. And just a note, because I'm using the Badia complete seasoning, I'm using the Island Spice all-purpose seasoning. I'm also using jerk seasoning. All of those seasoning having salt, so I'm not adding any salt to this. This is batch 2. Our herb roast.
Alright, so guys, I just went ahead and I baked both, but well, it ended up being I think it's a 2.5 trays of chicken, and I just roasted those in the oven. Guys, can I tell you that my gas finished in the, like, when this was almost finished, when the chicken was almost done, right? The gas finished. So what I had to do was to move over to my electric oven to finish them off, but thank God for that. Onto our vegetables now, guys, and this is the spread of vegetables that I do have: tomatoes, cucumbers, carrots, lettuce, cabbage, you know, and some sweet pepper for added color and flavor. And as I said, I will also be adding some raisins to this, and all I did was to just cut these up, julienne what needed to be julienne, shred what needed to be shred, dice what needed to be diced, and then I'm going to go ahead and mix everything together. And I did this early in the morning because I wanted it to be as fresh as possible, because I was not going to be adding any vinaigrette to it or any sauce to any salad dressing to it. Alright, so
Sweet pepper.
basically this is what it looks like, the finished product.
So guys, I have a batch of this fish fillet already on the stove frying. It's a small amount of fish. It's basically supposed to be for 1 serving.
It was really simple. All I did was to fry it, the flour, fry it, and then I did the glaze for it, the honey, spicy honey glaze for it. And this
Or
is
honey
what it
glazed
looks like,
fish
guys, and I'm
fillet.
telling you, this was a hit. I was supposed to only cater for one person. I catered a little bit more because they don't know catering go, but I'm telling you, they loved it. It was delicious. Added some sweet pepper and some onions to it. Boy, overall, guys, this exceeded my expectation, and it's because I planned well, very well. So this is how the venue looked. I did not do the decor. The decor was done by events by Jacqueline. She's really talented, guys. Here is a setup for the catering, and also, guys, if you're doing your event and you need to get plates and glasses and juice dispensers and all of that, I do the rental of those as well, so you can always reach out to me. So everything here, food wise, I provided, including the napkins and the napkin rings, right, for spoon, everything. So this was the vegetable pumpkin broth that I did. This is the rice and peas, and I did 2 batches of this, guys. 2 batches of rice and peas. And then I'm gonna go ahead and show you the chicken. I don't think I filmed the fish in this. As I said, it was a small amount of fish. Here is the herb chicken, guys. And I'm telling you, it was a hit. Really, really enjoyed this, and I want to thank the couple for allowing me, to present this event. I really enjoyed watching everybody. I was flabbergasted and I was excited at the opportunity. Alright, guys, if you like the video, or if you like this video, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Remember to like and share, and for your event, you can find me on Instagram and on Facebook, Chef Recipes or you can WhatsApp me at 876-779-2919. And remember, I also two type of people that way. The ones who don't care to put them food, and the ones who care.
Peeps, I need to check out Chef Nick's member the food. But come on, Marga, I don't love food, you know. I tell you, I'm sorry, I don't have a plate for show. You know. I lick off the plate. Food, but man, big up yourself, Chef Nick.
Alright.